Hi, this is Noah. So my Samsung gas oven was not heating very quickly. This is the part I had to replace. It is an igniter for the gas and it just heats up. It's an element, and once it gets hot enough, the gas in the oven will turn on. So it was not getting hot enough, but eventually it would turn on. It'd take about 20 minutes to get to like 400. I also bought the sensor for the temperature readout. So if it got to 350, it'd tell it to stop. But it wasn't that. So I did get to clean the back, clean up, pull it out of the back of the cabinets and clean up because it gets really dirty and nasty. So here's the part that often goes bad on the Samsung gas dryer. There's a lot of videos on this. So this unit right here is comes from my furnace. It's very similar, and you could see right here where there's no continuity from here to here because there's a crack. I could not find that on this Samsung one. It's just a generic part. So continuity tester, this is like 12 bucks. It's GR something Denver G. So if this would not light up if it was not touching. So it's lighting up faintly because this isn't as conductive, but occasionally if I push this together it will light up, but there's a crack there. Let's see if we hook it up to the leads on this bad one. See nothing. So electricity cannot flow all the way through this coil to heat up. So it's pretty common on furnaces and gas ovens. So I cut the connectors on this one so we can see if it'll go through. It might be faint red on it. So wire goes all the way here, all the way through this coil and back. That's called a circuit. So that's reading, but for some reason it has a little bit of, it has a minor short in it, so it's not even reading. You could see occasionally it will turn red, but it's definitely has a short somewhere, a weakness. So we use our oven like 3 or 4 times a week. We're not a big user of the oven part. Top part, no problem, but this shouldn't have gone. We had this for like 5-6 years since the pandemic, and I don't know, they should do better on this. So yeah, it wasn't that hard to do. You just have to remove about 6 screws, and you don't even have to move the back of the oven out. So but this glows really red, and if it's not glowing really red, the gas won't turn on. It's just not hot enough for the gas to ignite. So I did install the new one, and the new one, it reached 425 in less than 2 minutes. So, and it would take 20-25 minutes for this one. So this is the cause of problems for the Samsung. Also, I know that Samsung has problems with the knobs for the burners on top, because it's mostly for the electric one, but I bumped into it and I turned it and gas was coming out. So if you have a dog or a little kid, be careful with that, because you could fill your whole house up with gas. So but that was really easy to do. I was surprised. So I don't know if I'd buy a Samsung again, but and I bet they use the same exact ones in almost every unit anyhow. So kind of stuck with it. So thank you. Like this video and continue watching. Thank you very much. Bye.